Hey everyone, I am Shirish and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm going to talk about a career for which the projected growth till 2029 will be estimated at humongous 31%. Yes, there's a huge demand for this career that we're going to talk about today. So listen closely. Now, with everything available online these days, it's becoming more and more convenient to deal with almost everything remotely, from bank transfers to getting groceries to medical consultations or work meetings. The evolution into the tech age also came with own sets of complication. The type of crimes evolving have also turned out to be technology way these days. Your money is safe in your online bank account? Well, until it's not. To solve all these security threats to your data, a brand new, not exactly new, but comparatively new profession emerged, that is cybersecurity. And today, we're going to talk about one such profession under cybersecurity that deals with cyber threats before it's even happened. They are called cybersecurity analysts. And today, we're going to learn more about this career. And in this video, I will talk about 5 key points. What is cybersecurity analyst or career in cybersecurity? What is the future scope and job opportunities in this career? What skills are required to be successful? Roles and responsibility as a cybersecurity analyst, and a complete roadmap on how to build your career in cybersecurity. So let's review this career, awesome and whooping career with a huge demand called cybersecurity. Hi, I'm Shirish Gupta, and I empower people to hack their success, rise above the challenges, and confidently create an extraordinary life they deserve. A cybersecurity analyst is a trained cybersecurity professional who specializes in network and IT infrastructure security. They're like a police in the cyber world. Cybersecurity analysts are the backbone for any modern cyber team. These trained professionals specialize in understanding attacks, malware, and criminal behavior to anticipate future ones before they occur. The cybersecurity analyst's job is to make sure that the company's IT infrastructure and networks are safe from hackers. This means having knowledge of different operating systems, firewall, VPNs and proxies, security tools such as SIEM, which is Security Events Management System, plus understanding how all these pieces fit together in order to protect your data. Now, what exactly is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is a practice of protecting systems, network, and programs from digital attacks. There are different kinds of cybersecurity threats like phishing, ransomware, malware that can be aimed at accessing your sensitive information, extorting money out of or even interrupting normal business processes. The most common type, though, seems to be social engineering, where they try converting people into giving up their passwords by calling them on phone number listed near ATMs, but there's available consciousness necessary when dealing with these issues. The best way to protect your organization from cyber attack is by implementing a layered cybersecurity approach. This means adding extra layers of protection, such as policies and procedures for employees on the computers they use in order to prevent any potential vulnerabilities that could be used by hackers or malware distributors who want access into companies' data files without permission. If you have an office space where people come together wirelessly, then they need security cameras too. Now let's understand more about this career with future scope, salary offer, top companies hiring for cybersecurity analysts. Now let's first understand why is this career so very important. Well, in today's connected world, everyone benefits from advanced cyber defense programs. At an individual level, a cybersecurity attack can result in everything from identity theft to extortion attempts to loss of important data like family photos. Everyone relies on critical infrastructure like power, plants, hospital, and financial services companies. Securing these and other organizations is essential to keeping a society functioning. Everyone also benefits from the work of cyber threat researchers like the team of 250 threat researchers as Talos, who investigate new and emerging threats and cyber attack strategies. They reveal new vulnerabilities, educate the public on importance of cybersecurity, and strengthen open source tools. Their work makes the internet safer for everyone. Now let's just discuss future scope and why it is an important career field in years to come. Now, more companies are relying on technology for their work, which is great news if you want to become a cybersecurity analyst. The projected growth, as I've mentioned before, in this field until 2029 will be humongous, 31%. Yes, it's huge. These businesses, they need people with knowledge and skills that can help protect systems from hackers, including the latest techniques used by those seeking cyber attacks. You will have an opportunity at stable career satisfaction as demand increases during these years and even beyond. Some of the potential career paths that you can get after working as a cybersecurity analyst are Chief Information Security Officer, Security Architecture, Cybersecurity Engineer, Malware Analyst, Penetrate Tester, Computer Forensic Analyst, and many such roles. Companies or cybersecurity analysts that offer jobs in these roles are definitely companies like Amazon, Wipro, Apple, Siemens, American Express, Google, Microsoft, Target, Airtel, Accenture, and many such companies. When we talk about an average salary of a cybersecurity analyst role these days in the job market for an entry-level job in India is about 6 to 10 lakhs, which is somewhere between 95,000 to 160,000 US dollars annually. And can go for more experienced roles, it can go anything between 150 to 225 US dollars annually, which is really, really amazing. And longer you are in the field, the more you can earn. For different roles, the pay scale varies vastly. Now that we know there's a huge growth in cybersecurity analyst career, let's explore skills required and job responsibilities in an ideal workday in this profession. As far as skills are concerned, you need the following few for sure. Well, number one is technical skills. Well, let's face it, it is at the end a computer science field. So technical knowledge and working of computer system is kind of a basic requirement. Programming and working knowledge of up-to-date trends in the technology world is important. You also need strong understanding of networking and system administration. This will also require you to be aware of best practices and laws connected to the technology field. Number two is strong attention to detail. Well, if you want to make sure your company's network is up to date and running smoothly, it pays off in the long run to take out time and just look at everything around you and be more attention to detail. Well, number third is communication and interpersonal relations. You need to know how hackers get in and what they want. You may understand the risks, but it's important that you can explain them well enough to others, especially for those who are new at this job and don't have much experience with security matters. Number four is cloud security. Like application development security, cloud security also involves building secure systems from the start. People with the experience and knowledge in managing big platforms such as Microsoft Azure, AWS, and Google Cloud Platform are in high demand for sure. Next comes creativity. It may seem like an expert's job simply thinking of ways hackers could breach systems, but creativity goes beyond this. There are many creative solutions that can help prevent them too. Think about what would work best for your needs. So that's why creativity is important. Risk analysis. Cybersecurity professionals are required to identify, manage, and mitigate risks. Risk management and mitigation are a skill set that will be in high demand in coming years, and especially for this role. Now, other basic skills can include knowledge of operating systems and virtual machines, network security control, security audit, and many others. Well, now let's talk about the roles and responsibilities of a cybersecurity analyst. Some responsibilities of a cybersecurity analyst are to monitor computer network and systems for data threats, engage in ethical hacking, for example, simulating security breaches, install, alter, and update security software and firewalls, and test systems for potential vulnerabilities. They are also required to identify potential weaknesses and implement measures such as firewalls and encryption, and provide incident response, develop systems and processes for security best practices throughout the company, prepare reports on security incidents and changing responses. Apart from that, assisting with the creation, maintenance, and delivery of cybersecurity awareness training for colleagues, and giving advice and guidance to staff on issues such as spam and unwanted or malicious emails can also be considered part of higher level jobs. Now let's look at the most curious section on what education does a cybersecurity analyst need and how to pursue this career with complete step-by-step roadmap. Cybersecurity analysts are more of the entry-level jobs in the cybersecurity field. In order to be qualified, you will need a bachelor's degree in cybersecurity and information assurance, or information technology, or computer science, or any other similar field is preferred. This type of degree program will help you learn IT fundamentals as well as critical cybersecurity foundations that will prepare you for requirements for this job. Scripting and programming, data management, penetration testing, hacking and countermeasures, and more will be all critical element for your cybersecurity education. On top of it, you can start by exploring a couple of month-long introductory courses on online platforms like Coursera, edX, and all. These courses will give you basic knowledge of what you will be studying in detail in college and help you solidify the decision further. And as always, I have listed the best online courses for you to pursue in this field of cybersecurity. And one of the best courses that I found out is the Master Track Certificate in Cybersecurity. This program can be super beneficial for you, and you can find this program in the description box. Look for Master Track Certificate program in the description box. I have listed a few more courses that can be super helpful for your career in cybersecurity, so do check them out. Also, you can pursue a degree program from the top universities. Some such universities that have world-class programs are Columbia University, Georgia Tech, MIT, UC Berkeley, Stanford University, New York University, Carnegie Mellon University, Northwestern University, Imperial College London, ESSEC, University of Melbourne, IIM Calcutta, and many more. In fact, University of London has a completely online MS degree, which is in cybersecurity, delivered through Coursera. And if you can't attend physical classes, this is a great option. And I have attached the link for you, so you can absolutely pursue this online degree. For professionals, if you're very serious to pursue this field, I would highly recommend you to pursue certifications in the field of cybersecurity. There are many certificates that are available. One of the best certificate programs offered online is Master Track Security in Cybersecurity. This program can be super beneficial for you, and you can find this program in the description box below. Look for Master Track Certificate program. Well, I'm sure all these certificates and online courses will help you have a successful career as cybersecurity analyst. So that's it, guys. There's no shortage of jobs for skillful cybersecurity analysts in whichever location you are around the world. If you think you are intrigued by the role of cybersecurity and the data duties it entails, cybersecurity analyst is definitely a bright field, and this could be a perfect career for you. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Please make sure to support my work by liking and sharing this video, and also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. If you need any personalized help, comment below or reach out to me on my social media platforms, and my team and I can help you step by step in process of career and college admission and building an extraordinary life for yourself. I will see you very shortly with another amazing video of career, college admission, and living extraordinary. Till then, this is Shirish saying off. Bye-bye.